Trusting your individual uniqueness challenges you to lay yourself open. My father always said, never trust anyone whose TV is bigger than their bookshelf, so I make sure I read. When all else fails, trust God. I want to be strong because you believe in me. You have to trust me. I give my knowledge to you. That is my philosophy. The essence of good government is trust. You might not trust me. Please give me a chance and time. I will prove you myself for all of you. The fruits of your labors may be reaped 2 generations from now. Trust even when you don't see the results. Trust your own instinct. Your mistake might as well be your own instead of someone else. We must trust our own thinking, trust where we are going, and get the job done. You have got to discover you what you do and trust it. Trust is central to an economy that works. Trust is the conduit for influence, it's the medium through which the ideas travel. Once you trust in yourself, you automatically want to go outside of yourself.